my koutou, Kor Sarah toku ingoa. My name is Sarah.
And what else did I WINTON School? Kor Grace ahau. I am Grace. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raupare, the 12th of May.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tātua, which is te reo for belt.
As in, belt to hold up your pants?
Aye, tātua, which is te reo for belt.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Library news. All years 6 to 8 students who apply to be a lunchtime librarian, whakarongo mai.
You have an important meeting in the library at interval. Kia ora.
Okay, tomorrow is Rā Mere, which is my favourite, Rā or Te Wiki, because it's Sausage Sizzle Day!
And hot chocolates. Get your stamps in the library from 8:30 koutou. Correct money, please.
And remember to keep your $1 coins for cookies, which will be on sale by the barbecue at lunchtime.
It's all for a good cause. The PTA put in over $40,000 to the Matterhorn.
And Year 8 are selling cookies to help fund their last camp at WINTON School.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Problem solving team. You have a get-together today at 12:45 in the group room. Kia ora.
Birthday news. 2 birthdays today at WINTON School. Siobhan's sister is officially a teenager, lucky 13.
And Alina Gwen is a lucky number 7. Rā whānau ki koru. Have a great day, ladies.
And that's it from today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite pupu. See you tomorrow.
Don't forget, Year 6 Rugby, you have an extra practice across the road at lunchtime.
Haere rā and stay sharp, WINTON School.